Welcome to the new UI widget tutorials. This tutorial is about grouped list view and tile view. First, a short demonstration. This is list view with multiple default items. All countries are grouped by first letter. In tile view, photos are grouped by date. Making those groups can be a hassle. You need to keep order, add items to the proper group, avoid empty groups, and so on. You can use the grouped list collection to avoid such problems. Add and remove items into this collection and use its output property as a data source for the list view. Let's look at the code. In the constructor, you need to specify delegate to determine the group for the item. First, search among existing groups, and if group is not found, create a new one. You need to set data source as output. You can also specify group comparison to sort groups. Optionally, you can disable selection for the group header. For the tile view, things are more complicated. It will require empty group item, empty item, and items per block properties. The empty group item and empty items are placeholder to render tile view correctly, and the items per block property should be updated on resize and items update. Also, you will need additional templates for the empty group and empty items. Those can be empty object, but the size should match the actual templates. If you want a group header at full width or height, then you should add code to disable empty group object in the setData method. Small notice: group determined when you add an item. If you want to move the item to another group, you need to remove the item and add it again. That's all. Thanks for watching.